Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. I'm Shakhista. Today's special fluffy pancake. Take 3 eggs, divide white and yolk. Now take 2 egg yolks and mix with the whisk. Add 1 tablespoon, that is 15 ml of milk, and mix. When milk mixed well, add 1 tablespoon of oil, that is 10 ml, and mix well. When oil mixed well, add 2 ml of vanilla, mix well, and take aside. Take 3 egg whites and start to beat with a mixer. Take 50 grams of powdered sugar, divide into 3 parts, add one after another and continue to beat. Consistency should be like this, as I'm showing. Should have steady peaks. Now keep this aside and take yolk mixture and add 30 grams of all-purpose flour, sift and mix. When flour mixed well, take small quantity of beaten egg white and add to yolk mixture and mix with the whisk. Now remove the whisk and add the rest of the egg white mixture and mix gently in cut and fold method with the spatula. Work as fast as possible. If not, egg will sit and our pancake will not be fluffy. Now heat up the pan, apply some butter, add 2 scoops of butter. One teaspoon of water around and close the lid. Cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 2 more scoops of batter on the top. One teaspoon of water around and cook 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, very gently rotate to another side. Add 1 teaspoon of water and cook for 3-4 minutes. If required, add 1 teaspoon of water in middle. After 4 minutes, our fluffy pancake is ready. If the lid is not proper size, water vapor will escape and pancake will not be fluffy, and the pan should be non-stick as well. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.